Ond gwaith da rhwng McCarthy ac Elliot Evans, dau o'r chwaraewr mwyaf profiadol yr ymwelwyr. Owen ar ei drod chwith. Allan at Lewis Rees, mae'n y gyfle am groesiad. A mae'n groesiad da! Ac yna mae'n gol wych! A Craig Davies sydd yn rwydo i'r ymwelwyr. Symudiad slick gan y myfyrwyr lawr y chwith. Harry Owen at Lewis Rees. A'i groesiad yn berffeth, ond y foli yn gampus. Ac yna'r ergyd hyfryd gan Lewis Rees. Hanner foli yn gorfodi'r arbediad gan Ashley Morris. Wel, hanner cyfle, hanner foli. Ond gwaith da gan Ashley Morris. Jeffries chwilio am rediad Cain Owen a mae'n bas hyfryd i lwybr Cain Owen 3 yn disgwyl y croesiad. Mae'n gwyro Sam Snaith, y gig dros y sgwedd ychydig dros y bar. Sgiliau da gan Sam Snaith yn erbyn 20 glwb. I gefn at gol ar gic acrobataidd, ddim yn trafferthu Alex Lang y tro hwn. Pen-y-bont yn y pedwerydd safle yn edrych am ymateb yn dilyn y golled yn erbyn ffrind. Dyma'r croesiad ar draws wyneb y gol gan Waite. A Sam Snaith mae'n cyrraedd y bêl gynta. Tair gol y tymor hwn, mae'n ei cael ei gyfleoedd yn y gêm. Davies, dyna chi gol gampus gan Mael Davies. Hir yw pob aros i gol gyntaf o'r tymor yn yr uwch gyngrair. Ond dyna chi gol i ysbrydoli tîm Pen-y-bont 1, Met Caerdydd 1. Y bêl gan Emlyn Lewis. Lewis mewn i drad Elliot Evans sydd wedi bod yn dawel heno. A nawr mae wedi colli'r bêl a mae gan Clutton. A mae Clutton yn mynd o bell! Fflachio heibio'r postyn gan Lewis Clutton. Clutton yn casglu'r bêl o gamgymeriad Elliot Evans. Go 5 llath ar hugen yn fflachio ar gyd heibio'r postyn. Cain Owen i'r tîm cartre at y postyn pella. Mae'n gystadleuaeth ar y postyn pella! Ac yw e Ben Arman oedd ar peniad a'r arbediad yn gampus eto gan Alex Lang. Pwysau'n cynyddu ar Met Caerdydd. Owen mewn â hi, ac mae'n gol! Ac mae'n gol i Lewis Harling, a mae Pen-y-bont ar y blaen. Cain Owen at y postyn pella. Lewis Harling y tro hwn a'r peniad heibio i Lang. A wedi bod 1-0 lawr, mae Pen-y-bont ar y blaen o 2-1.
We had territory, possession, everything second half, and therefore deserved to win the game. We could have made it a bit easier with getting a couple more, probably to, the heart was going at the end there, but I thought we deserved it. First half, I didn't think we played that bad. We made a couple of silly errors here and there, but I thought Met set up a way that was causing us problems. So fair play to them. Obviously they're a full-blooded and dynamic team, and they caused us problems first half, but we made a couple of subtle changes, and I felt we went on and deserved to win the game. Yeah.
Christian, I'm sure that was a tough one to take, and your team was simply overrun in the second half?
Yeah, definitely. Second half, I thought Pen-y-bont really upped the intensity. They really came at us, and deservedly got the goal back and went ahead in the second half because the intensity was very good. We're struggling at the minute with numbers. Thank God, tonight's over with. We've got a bit of a break. We'll get Charlie Coles back, Chris Baker back, Adam Roscoe back, just to name but a few to back into that team. But take nothing away from Pen-y-bont tonight. The second half they were very, very intense. First half I thought we were good. I thought we were good for what we did. I thought we probably shaded it first half. Took our goal really, really well. That's a really well worked team goal. But we're just on the edge at the moment. We've got 4 lads in that team that's played 90 minutes tonight. We'll go and play against Exeter tomorrow in Bucks. So that's where we're at. Our numbers are really low, and we've gone through a difficult period, and it's been tough.
Buddigoliaeth dda iawn i ni eno. Galed hanner cynta, dod mewn. O'n i'n gwybod o'n i'n well tîm na nhw, ond jyst methu sgorio. Ond daethon ni mas yr ail hanner llawer gwell na nhw, a nes i cael y 2 gol a cael y 3 pwynt.
a chlasu'r o gol, os ga i ddweud. Braint oedd cael sylwebu arni ddi. Mael, ti'n fod yn disgrifio fe o safbwynt y chwaraewr?
Fi'n credu ges i cwpl o shots yno, ond fi'n credu dath y pel wrtho fi wrthos neith, a weles i'r gol a mor gyntaf dath off yr esgyd, so ni'n gwybod oedd e'n mynd mewn.